Hello all. So today we are going to give you the demo of Keil Microvision software. Right. So this is the icon. Just double click on this icon. So when you double click on this icon, you will find out a window will open. Okay. Which should be blank at the left hand side. That is a project window. Whatever you are saying, it should be blank. Right. If it is not blank, what you are supposed to do? Go to project, then close project. If it is not blank. If it is blank, don't worry. Right. So now we have to create a project. So go to project, create new microvision project. So here now it will ask, okay, so if it will open up a window wherein you are supposed to create a folder. So just right click on this, go to new, then just click folder. It will ask the folder name. So just you can give it as ARM, right? So after this, what you are supposed to do, when you give this as ARM, just double click on this. That means you are into that folder now, right? Now give the file name as we are testing it. So just give it as test. It should be without any extension. Just save it, right? So when you save it, this window will open. So here what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to give the name as LPC1768. That means the ARM IC that we are using it. So just if you can click it, you'll at the description end you'll find out what do you mean by ARM LPC1768. It is a ARM 32-bit Cortex M3 processor with a clock rate of 100 megahertz, and then it is having 512 KB of flash ROM. Right? Just press OK. Then it will ask for copy startup. Just press yes. Okay. So at the left hand side you will see target and then source group and then startup. Okay. This you should see at the left hand side. Right. So after doing this, we are supposed to add some files. Okay, those files are uploaded in the embedded systems lab class. Okay, under the files option. So here you are having three files. One is start file, startup file, and system file. All these three files you are supposed to download it, and you should keep it on a desktop. Right? So when you keep it on a desktop, okay. So when you keep it on a desktop, again go to Keil Microvision, just single click on source group 1. Just a single click on source group 1. So after doing that, just right click on source group 1. You will find out at the third column, okay, the third row is a bold one which asks for add existing files to group. Just click on this. So when you click on this, it will ask for look in. Here you are supposed to search for desktop. So when you search for desktop, okay, files of type it will be asking. So it will here you can select all files. So when you do this, just browse it. So when you browse it, you will get those three files which are necessary for the addition. Just hold Control and select all three files. Then add, close it. Right. So now you can find out that at the left hand side you are having all the three files, okay, under the source group 1. So after doing this, go to file and then new. So this is the section, okay, this is the section wherein you are supposed to write the program, right? Now after writing, anyway we haven't started writing program yet, but this is just an introduction. After writing a program, what you can do, go to file, then save as, right? So then here you are supposed to give, anyway we are testing it, so you can give test1.asm. ASM stands for assembly level language program. Okay, as we are writing assembly level language program, so ASM stands for assembly language program. Okay, so then give it as save. So after saving this, it means what, whatever the program which you save, okay, whatever the program which you save will come under test1.asm, right? So this is how you should operate a Keil Microvision software. Okay, so after writing this, the first and foremost thing what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to do that, okay, you should start writing the program from the second line, not the first line. Okay, you should start writing the program from second line. Okay, so after when you press enter, it will come to second line, then press tab. When you press tab, it will have some space. Okay, so here you are supposed to write area. Okay, here you are supposed to write area. What does the area mean? Area mean that the program, the place where you are writing the code. Okay, so after writing area, you should give the name of the file. That mean the name of the program. For example, if I am writing it as addition program, just give add. Okay, area add 1. Okay, you cannot give add, subtract and all, because those are the keywords. Just give add 1, which is the name of the program. Okay, and after add 1, you should write it as code. Code mean what? It is the code memory that you are using it. It is the code memory that you are using it. Okay, then you are supposed to write read only. Read only mean what? You are making the program to be a read only. After executing, okay, it becomes read only. That means you cannot change it. You cannot change it. Then press enter. Okay, then you are supposed to write export underscore main. Okay, underscore main. Okay, why we should write this? We should write this because whatever the ARM doesn't understands the assembly level language. Instead it has to be exported to the C program. So if I write C export underscore main, it means what? The program whatever I write in assembly level language gets converted to C program. Then just press enter in the next column. Okay, so underscore main should start exactly at the left end, exactly at the dead left end, as I have written, right? So from here, from the 5th line onwards, I should start writing the program. Okay, what we should understand is, we should understand that the line number 2, the line number 3 and the line number 4 are very much important, for writing an assembly level language for the ARM processor. Okay, so 1 2 3 lines you should remember it, then afterwards we should start writing the program. Correct? Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover today. So thank you.